Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot in my Samsung A16. So I'm provide three different method. So first of all, go to your control center, swipe down and follow this area, but not showing a screenshot option. At first need to add screenshot. Click on to pen option, click on to edit, and then showing you to take screenshot. I'm just select, then showing here in my control center, press on done and go back, open again, then showing you to take screenshot option. Just screenshot Gmail, just click on to take screenshot and then it's screenshot done, the first option. And the second option, showing it to screenshot option. Okay, screenshot. And how can easily add screenshot option? So open settings, scroll down, click on to display, scroll down and look at this, it's panel. Make sure to turn on this option and panels, and select this option and select another, like select, okay, select two different, go back, and you can easily take a screenshot from here. Okay, and the third solution, you just easily take a screenshot using your button, lock button and volume down button, press on at the same time. So that's it.